welcome back to the channel. It is Ipsy Glam bag for the month of January 2022. Let's see what we got. Price increase is $13 now. Okay. Look at how pretty the bag is. It's like rainbow clouds. Very, very pretty. Let's see if you guys can see the full effect. Let's open. Oh, look at the tassel. How cute. Okay, we got a card. 3 things to bring happy, or the happy, Glam Bag X, a free month, and winning an epic haul. Wow, I'll have to check that out. This month is happy vibes. I like that. And we have no product details in here. So the first thing that was outside of the bag was this brush. This was my choice. What is this brand? Elena Badro. Never heard of it. Oh, very nice. Fluffy brush. I like that it actually matches kind of the bag. Okay, next, Lottie. I've been seeing Lottie a lot. AM to PM. You guys can't really tell, but this is like a brown. So this is eyeliner, retractable eyeliner. And what color does it say? Actually, it kind of looks brownish purple. Next up, oh! Look at that! Pore Professional Light Primer. I just got a full-size version of this. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it up in the cards. 3 ml. So let's see how cute this is. This is great for travel and glam bag. This size bag is great for sample size, travel size, deluxe sizes, and even the occasional full size. We got 2 full size so far. So this is the light primer. I'm not going to open it. I just opened up the full size one. Alright, let's see. What else? Oh, Fab. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Intense hydration. That's good for dry skin, which I do have. This is 1 ounce, good size. So, last in the bag, that is Level Up. Who's this by? Uma Batter Boom. Oh, I haven't tried this brand at all. Has anybody tried this? I'm assuming it's black. But so this is our bag for this month. We have a brush, a eyeliner, mascara, primer, and some hydration cream. Great for the winter. Let me know what you think of the bag. And as always, guys, stay safe.